Okay, so we're live. All right. I now call the 2021 California Junior Classical League State Convention to order. Salvete omnes. My name is Rupert Chen from the Harper School, and I am your 2020 to 2021 Second Vice President. And now, please join your historian, Sadie Almgren from Menlo, Atherton, to recite the Pledge of Allegiance in Latin.
Fidem meam obligo, vexillo civitatum, Americae foederatarum, et rei publicae, pro qua stat, uni nationi, Deo ducente, non dividendi, cum libertate, justitiaque omnibus. And now I'd like to introduce NJCL Graphic Arts Chair, Ms. Jen George.
You may be wondering why we didn't recite the Creed and Song. This is because both documents are undergoing revisions at the national level to better reflect current thinking on diversity, equity, and inclusion. And now I'd like to introduce your 2020-2021 convention presidents, Sonia Argawal and Ahna Kim.
Thank you. Now we would like to officially welcome everyone to the 65th CAJCL State Convention and first ever virtual state convention. First, we would like to thank you all for attending. Although we are disappointed we were not able to host you all on Menlo's campus, we are very excited about this virtual convention. This year, the up-to-date schedule, event descriptions, and Zoom links or stream links for all events can be found on Sched. If you are having any problems with Sched, please email conventionpresident@cajcl.org.
Hi everyone, I'm Sonia, the other convention president. We are super excited to be offering an excellent slate of colloquial speakers this year. Make sure you check out the Sched for information and times for all of the speakers. We're also offering many new and old activities, including a JCL bake-off, escape rooms, a wiki scavenger hunt, Pictionary, and Cahoots. And now for some numbers. This year we have 688 JCLers, 17 SCLers, 38 teachers, 34 Menlo students, and 22 friends of Menlo for a grand total of 799 people in attendance. Thank you all for coming, and we hope you have a great time. And now the rest of the members of the 2021 CAJCL State Board will introduce themselves.
Hello, my name is Ava Tynan from St. Ignatius College Prep, and I'm the first vice president.
Salve, I'm Elizabeth Casey from Sage Hill, and I am the parliamentarian.
Hi, my name is Jamie Kim Worthington from Harvard Westlake, and I am the secretary.
Salve, my name is Cara Holden from Miramani, and I am the Northern representative.
Hi, my name is Meghana Krishnan from University, and I'm your Southern representative.
Howdy, my name is Sadie Almgren from Menlo Atherton High School, and I am the historian.
Salve, my name is Kabir Ramsan from Harker, and I'm the webmaster.
Salve, my name is Kaylee Rugg from St. Ignatius College Prep, and I am the Nutius editor.
And now my name is Jordan, and I am excited to welcome this 2020-2021 CASCL State Board. So of course, my name is Jordan. I'm a third year at Stanford and alumnus from Loyola High School JCL.
My name is Sophia Abulfati. I'm a third year at UC Berkeley, and I'm enjoying my time at SCL. Nice to meet y'all.
And the rest of the SCL board has other commitments today. We also have Kiana Hugh, our SCL secretary, who is a second year at Stanford from Miramonte High School JCL. We have our SCL parliamentarian, Izzy Arroyo, who is currently on a gap year, will head to Yale next school year, and she's from Marymount High School JCL. We also have our JCL liaison, Michaela Fawn, a second year at Stanford, who was part of the Harbor Day JCL and was at the New Hampshire Junior Classical League in high school. We also have our SCL webmaster, Robin Kim, who is currently attending Merced College and was from Crossroads School JCL. And we also have our SCL advisor, John Gums, who is from...
Hello. Yep, John Gums, SCL advisor.
All right, so now we're going to go to the adults. I'm Matt Davis. I'm from Miramani High School. I'm one of the teachers there, and I'm also the new state chair for CAJCL. Salvete Omnes.
Salvete Omnes. I am Kyle Smith-Laird, and I am the CAJCL co-chair, and I teach at the Willows Community School in Culver City.
Salvete Omnes. My name is Scott Patterson. I'm academics chair and teacher at the Harker School.
Salvete Omnes. My name is Brian Briggs, and I am at St. Francis High School in Sacramento.
I'm Lisa Masoni. I am the treasurer and graphic arts chair, and I teach at Harker Middle School.
Salvete Omnes. I'm Katie Robinson. I'm the scholarships chair and Magistra Emerita.
And I think Sydney is not with us, but she is the media chair. And my name is Darby Vasquez, and I am the Open Kataman chair, and I teach at Menlo. So thank you. And now, Mr. Patterson.
Hello again. We will be taking tests soon. And before I discuss the academic oath, I would like to remind you that all delegates need to take at least one academic test. And you can take as many tests as you are able to in the 2-hour testing session. Google Forms will not accept responses after 6:30. So if you find yourself working on a test around then, be sure to submit your work by 6:30. And on each test you take, you will be directed to enter your initials to affirm the following: that you will not give or receive assistance, share questions or content with others, or consult any resources online or printed while taking your test. Under normal circumstances, that is in-person convention, I would lead everyone here in reciting this academic oath. But in lieu of that, this year, you will be affirming that by entering your initials on the test. And now back to Jordan Lee for some SCL announcements and Sophia Abulfati for the SCL Olympika oath.
Thank you, Mr. Patterson. Salvete JCLers again. On behalf of the Senior Classical League, we are all excited to host a number of virtual Ludi and Olympika events, everyone's favorite talent show that's entertainment, and a mixer tomorrow for any high school seniors out there. Although we cannot meet each other in person quite yet, the SCL has been dedicated this past year to provide a number of events to bring out your competitive side. We have 4 Olympika events this year, 2 tonight, which are the push-up and sit-up contests, and 2 tomorrow, which are the trick shot and dance contests. Please refer to the convention booklet for exact times. Submissions will be accepted until 30 minutes after the start of each event. Just like for academic testing, we would like to announce an oath for Olympika to make sure that we also have uphold fairness and have a positive attitude throughout this convention. We hope to see you throughout convention these next 2 days. And without further ado, take it away, Sophia.
All right, hi everyone. Please repeat after me. I state your name, do solemnly swear to observe, obey, oh what a goose I am, and venerate the sacred word of the SCL. I will not edit my push-up video to play at 2x speed, nor will I submit Just Dance's firework choreography for the dance competition. So let it be written, so shall it be done.
I'm super excited about this year's virtual election. Once this meeting is adjourned, candidates will be able to begin campaigning, which this year will include social media, open forum, and the CAJCL.org website. Information on the candidates will be posted on the website in the navigation bar where there will be a candidate section or election section as soon as this assembly is adjourned. And tomorrow morning, we will hear speeches from the candidates. Open forum is a chance for delegates to interact with and ask the candidates questions, but more importantly, your attendance at open forum determines how many votes your chapter gets. Each chapter should send a maximum of 2 voting delegates to open forum in order to receive their 2 votes. If your chapter hasn't yet figured out who is going, please figure that out tonight so you aren't scrambling tomorrow afternoon. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of our excellent candidates. Here's Dr. Briggs with an announcement about Certamen.
Salwete, the competitive Certamen semifinal rounds are tonight from 7:15 to 8:15. There's a Google Doc that has the appropriate Zoom links in it, and this can be found on the shed under the competitive Certamen semifinals. This document is also where you will find the results for those semifinal rounds. Advancement to the semifinals tomorrow morning is based upon scores in the semifinal rounds. It is not based upon who wins each semifinal room. That means that you could still win your room and not make it to the final round, or you can come in second place and still make it. It's simply based upon who has the 3 teams in the semifinals with the highest scores. If your team made it to the semifinal round, you must show up tonight, or else you will have the evil eye cast upon you. Evil eye, I will curse you all, whoever does not show up. So please make sure your team is there and talk to your teammates to make sure that they get there on time. Chapters may switch teammates. So if you have someone that was at Carker that can't make it, you can switch them out with someone else. For any adults who are reading or scorekeeping for the semifinals, we will have a meeting at 7 o'clock, so 15 minutes before the competition. And please use the Certamen headquarters Zoom link that's in shed for that. Bonum fortunam omnibus. And here is Rupert with some announcements about Spirit.
Thank you, and hello again. Thank you to everyone who has submitted to Spirit already. I've been really enjoying watching all of your videos. For those of you who haven't, submissions are due tomorrow after General Assembly 2. For more information, visit tiny.cc/CAJCL 2021 Spirit. Also, you can earn 5 points by submitting a photo of yourself in classical wear. I look forward to seeing all of your photos and videos. Here's Kaylee Root with some general convention announcements.
Hey everybody. We have a wide range of topics being covered in our wonderful colloquia this year. Today, we will have experts discuss things like blood-sucking monsters, the Arapakis, revolutionary approaches to modern theater, the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, and stargazing as the Romans and Greeks did. And all the colloquia from today will be recorded. Also, all the activities that normally received ribbons will be awarded with some fabulous certificates sent out after convention. And the winners of the Ludi activities will be sent out to the schools after convention. If you run into any tech problems, please text Anna Kim at 650-556-3583 or Luke Wen at 650-260-5853. Now here's Kabir with some other announcements.
All right, so this year we are announcing a new CAJCL website spotlight. So I'll be sending a form link into the chat. And if you have a chapter website, please make sure to fill out the form with the website link and school name to have your chapter's website featured on the CAJCL website or on our social media channels. Additionally, we've been running a CAJCL Discord for some time. And if you'd like to join that to chat with the rest of the community, please use the invite link I'm sending in the chat. And now please welcome back our second Vice President, Rupert Chen.
Thanks all. Once again, salvete omnes, and welcome to the 65th annual CAJCL State Convention. I know you're all gonna have 2 fun-filled, wonderful days. And good luck on all of your academic tests. Is there a motion to adjourn this first General Assembly? Okay, I recognize the delegate from St. Ignatius. Is there a second? All right, I recognize the delegate from Menlo Atherton. That concludes our first General Assembly. Thank you.